Gary Vaynerchuk says that before we are a bread company, a manufacturing company, a bank company, we are a marketing company. So I would add as well to what Gary said, it is that do all you can with all you have. So in this case, you have a smartphone and a lot of knowledge, experience, and wisdom. And you can now transmit this knowledge, experience, and wisdom with your smartphone. And in this case, for us that we are do audio and video, security cameras, virtual PBXs, and telecommunications, it is important for us to transmit all our knowledge, experience, and wisdom for our prospects and customers to know how we can help. So we have bought this DJI OM5 and we are going to open the box. As a matter of fact, we have already opened the box, as you can see. We opened in our version in Spanish. So we have two versions in Spanish and English. So we open up on the version on the Spanish version. You can see it that it is just brand new. So as you can see by the box, I don't have too much experience opening boxes, but we finally got it. So we are going to open and see what's inside the OM5. So for you to keep the box, it is important that you know that here it is where you should start. There's here where you should start. If you put it here and you put it here, that's where you should start. And now we are going to open the box and we are going to see what's inside. So the first thing that it is inside, it is the instruction manual. Here you can see the instruction. Read it. It is in English. So read it before using it. I will read it as soon as we finish this video, so you can see all the things that you can do with this stabilizer. And then here you can see the stabilizer. We have never used it, but as we get to know it, we will share with you what we have learned about it. So you can see here, then it comes with this. It says riser pad for smartphones. So this is. Then inside it comes a cord. So you can put it here and then hold it. It comes with a USB. I guess it is to charge it. USB A to USB C, I guess. So you have it here. Then you have the base. You can see here there's a little base to put it. So you have a good base to put on. And then you have the holder. This is the holder for the smartphone. And then inside, we will see what it is inside. Inside, it is a bag to put it on. And then you have the holder. This is the holder. So what it comes inside is the holder. It comes the cable. it comes the reset pad. Then it is the base, the back, the stabilizer. You can see it here. The stabilizer, and then the manual. I do really recommend to you the DJI OM 5. Really, I believe you will take much better photos, much better videos. I really do think we will do a better exposure of our job and through these two. I recommend it highly to you. Thank you very much for being with us. Have a great day.